Question number 7. You can use this formula to change a temperature from centigrade to a temperature in Fahrenheit. C denotes the temperature in centigrade, F denotes the temperature in Fahrenheit. Use the formula F equals 1.8 C plus 32 to change 20 degrees centigrade into degrees Fahrenheit. So F is equal to 1.8 C plus 32. Now that means 1.8 times the centigrade temperature plus 32 degrees. So we need to do F is equal to 1.8 times by the value of C. The value of C is equal to 20 degrees in centigrade. So 1.8 times 20 plus 32. Now I'm going to look at 1.8 times 20 first. So 1.8 times 20. If I first work out 1.8 times 10, 1.8 times 10 is 18. So 1.8 times 20, I've just doubled the 10 to 20, double the 18 to 36. So the temperature in Fahrenheit is 36 plus 32, which is equal to 68 degrees. Okay, on the grid opposite, draw a conversion graph that can be used to change between temperatures in centigrade and degrees Fahrenheit. So, we knew that using our formula that when the temperature was 20 degrees centigrade, when C is 20, F is 68. That's what worked out. Now, we need to use our formula here, 1.8 C. So F equals 1.8 C plus 32. So let's find some other values on there. Well, when the temperature centigrade is 0, and I've chosen 0 because 1.8 times 0 is 0, it disappears, the Fahrenheit temperature is 32 degrees. I'm going to use that formula again when F is 1.8 C plus 32. Now I worked it out up here for when it was 20, and we knew from the previous page that 20 times 1.8 was equal to 36. So I need to now, if I'm going to do, the temperature is 40 degrees centigrade, the Fahrenheit temperature is 1.8 times 40 plus 32. So if I knew that 1.8 times 20 is 36, 1.8 times 40 is 72, add 32, my Fahrenheit temperature is 104. So I've now got 3 coordinates that I can plot. I've got 40, 104, I've got 0, 32, and I've got 20, 68. So I'm going now to plot on my scale. My vertical axis is temperature, my horizontal axis is degrees centigrade. So I'm going to first plot the point 20, so 20 in temperature centigrade to 68. And then I'm going to plot 0 when the centigrade temperature is 0, the Fahrenheit temperature is 32, and when my Fahrenheit temperature is 40, my centigrade temperature is 40, my Fahrenheit temperature is 104 to 4. Now we note that the scale on the vertical axis, 5 squares equal to 10. And on here, on the horizontal axis, that 10 squares equal to 10. I now need to draw in my line. Now that can be used as a conversion graph. Now the last part of the question asked me to use my graph to change 100 degrees Fahrenheit into centigrade. So I'm simply going to use my graph. I'm going to draw a horizontal line across from 100 where it intersects my graph, and then I'm going to draw a vertical line down where it meets the conversion graph, the purple line, and I'm going to measure off on the bottom of my axis to get that value of 38 degrees centigrade. So that when Fahrenheit's 100, the centigrade is 38 degrees centigrade.